Trina, my shrink ray, and a really small submarine.
Way to not make a flamethrower, science failers!
Wow, that's convenient.
It gets convenienter.
Let's get shrinky!
My mini-sub will bring the ocean depths to the common man.
Lies have no place in science. You get a disqualification ribbon.
Now to get you inside Trina's face. But how?
Yeah, it's a slingshot I made. It's pretty rad.
Come on, Nina!
Tornado emergency for Melody, Golden Auditorium and Melody Royal Palace. The National Weather Service in Solaria has issued a tornado warning for Harmonic Nebula County in northeast Melody, southeastern Harmonic Elm County in northeast Melody until 5:30 p.m. At 11:01 a.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Song Wharf, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Melody into Golden Auditorium and Melody Royal Palace. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Tuning Fork of Harmony and Golden Auditorium around 11:05 a.m. Melody around 11:23 a.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 691 and Melody near mile marker 92, and between mile markers 103 and 151. Western Melody Parkway near mile marker 119. Melody Parkway near mile marker 134. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.
Trina, do you smell that? Fried chicken! Popcorn! My mouth is starting to salivate!
Look out, saliva pool! Here I come!
Drilling is for farmers with retainers. Ken says your fan thingy didn't work.